So here we go. This is the new Rare Bear from Hobby King, from Durafly, and so easy to put together. Only have to do 3 things really to assemble this. You get 2 bolts. The longer one you have to put through to hold the wing on, and the longer one, the shorter one, to hold on the horizontal and vertical tail plane. And then you just have to click the link for the elevator. It's as simple as that, and then put in your receiver. So in this I've got an ELRS, a RadioMaster ERS 8-channel receiver with their new GPS module, so we should be able to find out how fast this actually goes. Well, ground speed anyway. There is a little bit of wind today, so we'll try it both ways and see how quick it is in the air.
Okay, on the patch.
3, 2, 1. All right, ready? Okay, I'll do 1 speed pass in front of you.
Okay. Off the strap.
83 miles per hour on that pass.
That's your feet. Big feet. Don't have to walk too far.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
98 miles an hour. Can we crack 100 miles an hour?
Completely lost it on that one.
Did you? Got to make sure you zoomed out.
Yeah, I was.
$100 miles an hour. 115. 115 miles an hour, top speed so far. Let's climb. 115. Might take a while for the telemetry to come back. No, still 115. Right, let's slow it down. Let's see how slow this will fly. Not bad, eh? For something that goes over 100 miles an hour, it slows down quite nice. I'll do a wing over for you, Chris. Cheers. Right, one more. more. That's it, I think, 115. Right, landing. So, 114.8 miles per hour according to that GPS. So not bad for something so small. To me it felt a lot quicker, I'll be honest. And going as high as I could on those last few passes to try and get out as much as possible. But every airframe has its maximum, I guess, and this was about 115. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks to Sam for filming this one. Be back soon on Essential RC. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment for this new Durafly Rare Bear running on a 4S 2200 pack. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Brilliant.